Good morning, good afternoon, actually, ladies and germs, and welcome to Robotina's opening of the Pokemon Prismatic Evolution's Accessory Pouch Special Collection. Why do I have the dice here? You'll see. Full of your accessory storage with Eevee. Cute, fuzzy, and full of charm. Amen to that. You bring a smile on the face of anyone who meets. Amen to that. Soft accessory pouch collection carry Eevee's enthusiasm anywhere, wherever you go. Pokemon League, day out in town. Eevee's big ears stand tall for a unique look. The drawstring on top helps keep coins and other accessories secure. Include boost packs of the special Scarlet and Violet Prismatic Evolutions. Cheering for more Pokemon fun inside. Yep, it's Cage's fun accessory patch based on Eevee, and 5 Pokemon TCG Scarlet and Violet booster packs. Yep, keeping it simple here for the time being. So let's open this baby up. Okay. Okay, here we are. Oops. Let's see a closer look at the accessory pouch. It's big. Get the plastic insert out. It's big. Doesn't really stand up too well unless you filled it with some dice or something. It's fluffy. It's got some cute ears. Folds over for easy storage. And here's a look at the inside. Pretty neat. Yeah, it looks like it's got some decent capacity. You could put a whole bunch of sets of dice in this baby, and it looks like closed. So, you know, closes they're fairly tough material, tougher than your average dice pouch. So it looks like it could stand up to a lot of wear and tear. Not like some, you know, dice pouches, unless they were like leather or something. Very cute, very nice. And anyway, here's also what else you've been waiting for: the Prismatic Evolutions packs. Let's see what we got here. We got Houndoom, Professor Rowan, Applin looking cute, Goldeen, Carmine, Great Tusk, Briar, a Pokeball foil Dunsparce, Dipplin, and Dusknoir. Number 2. Got Applin, Goldeen, Rotostick, Fanrotom, Briar, Slowking, Blinding Mochi, Treasure Tracker, a Spec, and a Pokeball foil Eevee, and Flareon. Number 3. We have Pupitar, Eevee, Execute, Larry Skill, Rescue Board, Heatran, Turo Scenario, Slowpoke, Festival Grounds, and Leafeon. Very cute. Okay. Here we have Sneasel, Hoot Hoot, Black Belt's Training, Yolu, Great Tusk, Carmine, Sab's Vitality, Sneasel, Hippopotas, and Lugia EX. Nice, nice. Alright, last pack of this set. We got Riolu, Aromatisse, Noibat, Black Bolt Train, Bug Catching Set, Pyroar, Earthen Vessel, a useful trainer, Carmine, Sneasel, and Roaring Moon. So that's about it for the EV accessory pouch collection. Very packs are nice, and the pouch is really useful even if you're not a Pokemon fan. D&D enthusiasts would be worth it. It would be worth getting if you're a D&D enthusiast to have a lot of it dice, because this baby could hold a lot of clackety math rocks. Mark my words. Anyway, that's about it for the Pokemon Prismatic Evolutions Accessory Pouch collection. I enjoyed this. I hope you did too. You know what to do if you did. I'll see you next time. Peace.